Hey folks, in this video, I'm going to guide you on exactly how to catch an airport bus to reach Patong Beach. Now, there are several options available for reaching Patong Beach and other beaches, but some of them can burn a hole in your pocket, like the local taxi or airport taxi. Opting for a taxi could set you back at least 1,000 baht, but here's a money-saving tip. Choose the airport bus, and it'll only cost you 100 baht. You might be wondering about grab car prices. Well, let me assure you, they're pricier compared to Bangkok. So let me walk you through the process of finding the airport bus after you've cleared immigration. Once you've grabbed your luggage from the conveyor belt, just head straight to the exit. You'll likely encounter numerous booths vying for your attention, offering rides and tempting promotions. My advice, ignore them. Those prices won't be the cheapest option for your journey. Now, let me guide you through the straightforward steps. As I walk to the right side of the hallway, my eyes are on that dark blue public transportation sign at the end. Keep walking with me until you're out of the building. Once you step outside, you'll see a line of buses parked at a modest bus stop. There's no big flashy sign that screams bus stop from a distance, but don't worry, just keep walking ahead. This is the sole bus stop in the entire airport, and you'll get there without any unnecessary detours. When you reach the bus stop, there's this substantial board, much like the one I'm showing you in the video, displaying 3 routes along with their schedules. It's pretty reliable. The buses tend to stick to the schedule. If there's a bit of wait time on your hands, you've got options. You can either head back inside to the comfy seating area in the arrival hall, or check out the nearby coffee shop right by the bus stop. Your call. No need to stress over the coffee prices here. They're pretty budget friendly. You can double check the bus fares by glancing at the sign right in front of these buses. The tickets are just like the ones I'm showcasing in the video. Well, they look something like this. The interior might seem a tad dated, but trust me, it's all good. Cleanliness isn't an issue here.